In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use very affordable makeup products. I'll show you guys my step-by-step makeup routine, and yeah, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I always go in with is my primer. Apply it to my T-zone area. I use the Stay Matte Remini primer, and yeah, once I'm done doing that, I always make sure I apply it to every part of my face that doesn't need oil. So yeah, once I'm done doing that, I go in with my Zaron foundation in the shade Cocoa. I use their Brown Skin Liquid Foundation. This foundation is really good, especially if you're a brown skin girly and you want that skin like finish. I would definitely recommend this. So yeah, next thing I'm going to do is going with my beauty blender. I'll be using a damp beauty blender. Make sure it's damp so that you can actually enter into your pores. And the way I'm applying it directly to my skin. I'm dabbing it into my skin so it gets into my skin pores and have that skin like finish. So yeah.
I'm back in the room now. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. I'm back in the room now.
So now I'm going back with my beauty blender. I'm just making sure the products get into my skin. So now I'll be using another shade of concealer. So that was the first shade. The next shade I'm going to be using, I'm going to be going with a shade 2 times lighter than my skin, just to give that lighter look, which I love.
I'm back in the room now. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
So now we're just blending in the lighter shade of concealer. So next off, we're going to go in with our blush. I hardly contour my face, I mostly do blush. So the blush I'm going to be using, I'll be using one of my lipstick, my red lipstick, I'll be using as a blush, and I'll be blending it out on my skin, and I love the look it gives. So yeah.
I'm back in the room now. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me.
So next off, we'll be going in with our brows. I'm sure if you want a detailed video on how I do my brows, you can leave it in the comment section. But yeah, basically I've already carved my brows, so now I'm going in with my brow pencil and just highlighting like the parts I already have. And when you're doing this, make sure you're making stroke like methods so that it looks like your natural hair. Don't make it too thick. Make sure you're just stroking it out and just doing hair like method. And then I conceal it with my foundation. So I use my Zaron foundation to conceal my brows. And yeah, I make sure the front part of your brows, make sure you're just making hair like strokes on your in front of your hair. And yeah, once I'm done doing that, I just conceal it with my foundation, and there. So now I'll be going in with my setting spray from Zaron just to set in all the makeup and the highlights, the yeah, make sure it dries off before you do it. So now I'm just dapping it into my skin so the setting spray can get into my skin and do what it's meant to do. So yeah. Next up, we're going to be doing eyeshadow. I like to keep it simple, so I'll just be doing a little bit of shimmer on my eyes. I love this color, so it's quite easy to do this. Just make sure you're following your eye pattern while doing this eyeshadow. So next up, I've already done under my eyes off camera, and I've already applied mascara off camera. So yeah. Yeah, this is me basically applying mascara. I love this mascara. It gives this voluminous look. If you're trying to pop your eyes out and you don't want to use like false lashes, I'll definitely recommend you using mascara. It has done lots of wonders to my eyes. So last off, we're going to be lining our lips. I'll be using my brow pencil to line my lips, and then I go with my nude lipstick. It's quite simple. I always love this overlined makeup look, which I always do, and then I go in with my nude lipstick just to make sure my lips pop. Once I'm done doing that, I go with my lip gloss just to give it that glossy look, which I love so much. And yeah. So the last thing we're going to be doing is highlighting our T-zone areas. That's our cheek, my bridge of my nose, and then yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Tell me what's your favorite part about this video. I'm sure it's eating. It's very simple. It's a very simple makeup you can do to any event. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.